Hainan Airlines Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. Experience luxury in business class with 26 Collins Aerospace Super Diamond seats offering lie-flat comfort and direct aisle access. Premium economy hosts 21 seats, perfect for extra legroom and recline. Economy's 207 seats are spacious, but aim for rows 13-35 for the best views and space. Avoid the last row for less noise and turbulence. Enjoy world-class service with complimentary meals and top-tier entertainment. Comment below which airplane you'd like us to explore next.